Look in the sky, what do you see? A rainbow shining bright and free. Red and yellow, green and blue, so many colors just for you. Red like apples, juicy and round, they grow on trees way up in town. Blue like oceans deep and wide, where little fish love to hide. Red like apples, blue like sea, yellow like the sun shining on me. Green like the trees, tall and bright, orange like the sunset in the night. Blue like the trees, tall and bright, orange like the sunset in the night. Yellow like bananas, sweet and fun, they make me jump, they make me run. Green like grass where we can play, running, jumping every day with a light. Purple like grapes, yummy to eat, soft and juicy, such like a treat. Pink like flowers, pretty and bright, smelling fresh in morning with the light. Red like apples, blue like sea, let's touch the color on your chin. Point on a red and blue like a river, orange like carrots, crunchy and sweet, a yummy snack for all to eat. Red like apples, blue like sea, yellow like the sun shining on me. Green like the trees, tall and bright, orange like the sunset in the night. Let's start jump, let's start spin, let's touch the color on your chin. Point on a red and blue like a river, orange like carrots, crunchy and sweet, a yummy snack for all to eat. Brown like bears, cuddly and big, they love to dance and do a jig. Red like apples, blue like sea, yellow like the sun shining on me. Green like the trees, tall and bright, orange like the sunset in the night. Let's all dance and say hello to sky. Red, blue, yellow, and green, you too. Learning colors is fun.